Hey there, this is Rasmin and I welcome you back to my channel. I'm glad to be back again with a new DIY. So today in this video, I'm gonna share two minimal wall art that would help you to fill up your empty wall space. So the first one is a liner. So let's check how you can draw one step by step. Here I'm using a white paper. So first of all, we're gonna point from the right edge of the sheet, draw a flawless outline of a spoon backward, and then draw waves for the nose. Then we will trace the lips, chin, neck and the body. Here we go. Wasn't this easy and pretty? You can put this art on a paper frame. I have left a link on paper frame tutorial on description. You can check that out. You can also put this art on a ready-made frame. That would also work. For the second DIY, all we need to get started is a small silver hoop and a 30cm long wire. First of all, we'll write a word on a paper that you wanna display on wall. I'm writing a word love. Then we'll shape the wire to form the word. Make sure to leave 7cm on beginning and end of the word. Once we are done, we will need the hoop. I made this by shaping a wire to a circle and then covered with tissues to make it thick. Now we will roll the ends of the word in the middle of the round frame. I have added every little piece of information that you would require on the description. Please check that. Take a rope, tuck on the top of the frame, then join the ends of the rope and it's ready to hang on your living space. To color this, I'm using a black paint. You can choose any other colors. Hope you enjoyed. Do share your pictures with me on Instagram if you try any. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy crafting.